In the rare occasion that I'm asked to play a solo, I'm never thinking of playing a scale. I'm always thinking about chords. I'm thinking about the root, the tonic chord, inversions, flat seven, triad, 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 triad. So how do I make that work? I'll use it like this. And all I'm doing is thinking about the chords. So understand this. This is called playing arpeggios. The more chords you play, the more understanding you have of a chord, more options you have when you're talking about playing a solo. Even if you use enclosures, playing a note before or after the particular note you're trying to land on. Listen, I hope this helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.